akong nag-stay sa Holiday Inn Express sa may dairy. Nasa bus stop lang siya. Ito yung room namin. But it's okay. We have everything. We have our TV. Yeah. This is the view. Ito yung view namin. So, ito yung toilet. Maliit lang siya, pero okay naman, malinis. May libreng shampoo at body wash. Malinis. Magtitimpla ako ng tea. Ito yung tea nila. Lion's tea. So, ito yung room namin dito sa dairy. Holiday Inn Express. So, ito yung TV. Ito yung bed.